So I recently turned about $98 into $207 in my balance with Margex. I was trading on leverage and I traded up to 100x. Most of the positions that I traded were no more than 50x, but still, I'm trading with leverage and using other people's money in order to gain a lot more. And obviously, that provides a little bit of a risk as well, to where you can lose a lot more if you're not doing it the right way. So understandably so, a lot of people are asking me questions as to how I do this, and what do I look for within a position, and different things that I'm using and indicators and all of that stuff. So that's something that I want to take you guys through. I'm gonna do a whole like seminar, like a short term like leverage seminar type of thing. Maybe you can call it a course, but I'm gonna do short videos to where I break down leverage trading. And we're doing that for the profit hands level, the expert profit hands level. The profit hands level is more for what I'm getting into and what I'm selling and what I see that's interesting, and different lists of newer coins and stuff like that. But the expert profit hands level, you're going to be able to get all the different breakdowns. If I have any type of educational breakdown, which I would imagine every month, I'm probably going to have some sort of educational breakdown put on there. So like maybe every 2 days I'll release a video, depending how short the videos are, because we'll do like little short nuggets so that you're not taking in too much information. But over on the Patreon, we are going to be doing that. And, releasing, we'll probably already have 1 or 2 videos that are released right now as you're watching this video. But first, before you go over to Patreon, I think you guys should sign up for Margex, because I started trading with them and I feel like it's something that they offer you everything that you could want. When it comes to leverage trading, when it comes to understanding it. So feel free to go and check them out. You can trade up to 100x. You don't have any KYC. You don't have a know your customer. You don't need a VPN. So that's a good thing for a lot of people, especially in the US, that don't really have this ability to leverage trade. So feel free to go and use my link down below for Margex. Sign up for it. But we will be doing like a whole breakdown seminar within the Patreon to give you a full understanding of my leverage trading strategy and building your own leverage trading strategy, and different things that you need to know as you go through the process. So like I said, I was able to 100x, or not 100x, I was able to add 100% to my portfolio, and I'll continue to be disciplined. But now I don't have to use the money that I invested. I can use the money that was gained throughout the process. So whether I was trading Atom, or I was trading Solana, or I was trading Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP, I can now find the right position, trade short term, and I have so many different times to where I could trade, and I could technically lose if I want to, and still have a lot of profit in the end compared to how much I put in. So I will continue to obviously try and win, but you never know how the market could go against you. But within this platform, you can basically see the market as something that's tanking and still make money from it and sell the market. So Margex is definitely a great platform to buy and to sell. Feel free to check out that link in the description. Also, if you guys want to check out my Patreon, I'll only provide those 2 links in the description. So if you want to check those out, check them out. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.